Guys, I want to say something. Me left it out, so me have to make it different and put it up at the front here. So, Alisa Kim, I want to say something to you. Manners and enough respect for the shout out. Yeah, man. And to the big up crew, don't stop do the do. Yeah, man. Continue do the do and continue big up on yourself, big up on your stomach. And remember, me tell you, continue to watch over on your lady head. Continue to protect her. Continue to stand by her because guess what? Jesus carried the cross and still people beat him down. Yeah, man. Him still a carry the cross and people still a beat him. So no matter what you do in a life, people go fight you down. And Alisa Kim, don't stop, look up. Don't stop, shoot up. Don't stop. Because me tell you something. You see beyond what we are looking on there, and more and more and more and more. Beyond the sky, beyond the, what you call it, up there. Yeah, man. So don't stop growing, don't stop moving, and don't stop making your money because the money where you make and how you live are mad them. Because them are going like, are you alone left a man? Are you and you never left the man? Are the man left you? Yeah, you never left the man left you. So here what me I say. Manners and respect, big up your stomach. And me go, one of them shirt there. Do the do. Yeah, man, me go, one of them shirt there. Because Alisa Kim, me just put out my merch too, you know. So, me go find a way to send you one of my shirt them. And me go, one of your shirt them too. Because guess what? You, you love the song? That song was sung by my brother, Mummy, and my boss. Yeah, man. And remember, Alisa Kim, let me say this to you. You see that song? That song was sung by my brother for our mother. And me put that song for you because I respect you, I rate you. My viewers and subscribers, peace and love. Watch this video.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? You alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you not feel no pain now. And if you don't feel any pain, remember to check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, always remember, it is very important to check on your family member because mental health crisis is no joke. And guys, right now, me a belt out me heart, me a belt out me heart, me a belt out me heart. Me a beg. Yeah man, me a beg, me a beg, me a beg. And guys, me have a GoFundMe and me have PayPal up there. Me a ask, me a beg for money, food, clothes. Me go put up an address so people can send things come, or you can just send any kind, any money, if it's even $1. So me can put it together for send it go to Jamaica for help the people. Them a get enough aid, you know. Them a get enough aid. Don't get me wrong, them a get whole heap of aid. But remember, all them a get is food. All them a get is food and clothes. And these people go need zincs, board to make up at them house. So we have to try to help as much as we can help them. We go get some toothbrush and toothpastes and all them kind of things for send go, you know, to make them able to alright. So guys, down below me go put the link them and in the bio, check my bio. You see the link them. Me a beg you no man. Me a beg you no. Oh, me a beg you no. Please. help me so I can help them. Or, here what happen. If you don't have no family them down there, send the money, go give no family them down there and make, help them, you know. So, guys, me out here beg. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me no know, me no, hey, you see the video? You see the video what there? Me say, brother, Alisa Kim kick up, backs up, throw down, dash way, fix up. Alisa Kim do boo. The honor, rebel, respect, and tell him, stop tell lies. Stop talk things how it not go. Yeah, man, she did dish him out a nice plate of food. Of shit. Yeah, man. Alisa Kim, if you knew, you wouldn't get yourself in this trouble. Because Boo set out for you. Long time. Hey, you know remember, say Boo said he know Alisa Kim mother before. He know Alisa Kim, and that's why me I tell all of you say Boo know exactly what him do, because the two of them come from the same place at Kingston 7. Anyway, guys, me go talk about that in a little bit. Right now, I want to talk to the one we name the Brokeback one, the one where always slung at the truck, and I talk about how him living in truck for 3 weeks and he live out of it for 1 week. Because there's nothing wrong if you're living at your vehicle. I didn't say I ain't sleeping. But you don't notice, you don't see no curtain in here. So I don't know how me sleeping here. But that if you want next time. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, did you all hear when Alisa Kim say, talk about in DM? Hold on. Did you all hear that part? Alright, me could talk about that. You know, remember when me telling you say, RumRam, the chucker, aka Brokeback, Mr. Breadman, used to send Alisa Kim DMs? You know, remember that? You know, forget? me sorry you no forget, but you no need to go back and watch the video them. I tell you now that RumRam used to send Alisa Kim DMs because he made a look. Hold on. RumRam, you say you're married for 13 years ago in a 14. Where your wife there? Wife? RumRam wife? Come here, man. Come here, me I wait upon you because you over there I worry about Alisa Kim business when guess what happened? Your husband or your man or a woman, you know him what to you? Over there I send Alisa Kim DM. Me did say it and then Alisa Kim come confirm it. So you need to have a talk with him about sending Alisa Kim DM. And to all of the people them over the Brokeback, Mr. RumRam, Mr. Little Cheerio man, you did a send the woman DM. You did in the woman Instagram, TikTok, like Matlock. You did over there, stuck on over there, like Matlock. And as soon as the woman announced that she's pregnant, whoa, you stop jumping her DM because now you realize say a next man I pick the cherry. So what we call that in a Jamaica? A pussy watchman. What we call that in a Jamaica? A pussy watchman. I watch your woman crutches because now you see say you couldn't get it no more. Because as a matter of fact, the lady said she wasn't interested because the woman no want nobody where broke no back and broke no bread come broke fear bread or fear back. She no in that. With none of you where I do no little dirtiness I want to come chuck pan she. So she not in that. She not in that. So she make you go on about your business. Cause you look too round. So you don't look like you go straight down the road. You look like you take corner. Like when in I truck I take peer corner. Yeah, so she never want that. So she never answer to your DM them. And so she not answer to your DM them. You see what you do? You chuck pan her and start beat her left, right, and center. No. You and your boo team up. You have a group over there. You team up and I go after her. And she come out and say a few words and wipe you off the map. And you still over there chat. You still over there chat. All when the woman make you know say as she used to pay for all the trips. You still over there chat like you look disturbed. You look confused. Me can't believe say you still over there chat. You no have nothing to chat about. You no have nothing. See him like how people and come over me, I come tell me about how me not talk about hurricane when me make a much video about hurricane. Why you not over there do that? Why you not over there do that? You know, realize. Say you and remember Alisa Kim say you the leader. Used to DMR. And she never take your DM them. Brother, remember me tell you. Hey, Mr. Brockback. You did a try to get Alisa Kim. And Alisa Kim reject. Well, me wouldn't say I reject. Alisa Kim them fought off of you. Alisa Kim them pay you no mind. Because Alisa Kim no stoop that they low. Alisa Kim never plan to stoop so low. And you hate the woman for that. What a piece of crutches watcher. What a piece of crutches follower. You is just like that dirty man, that workless man. See him like what you call him, Green Lizard? Yeah, you is just like him. You, Boo, and that dirty one named Vybz are the same thing on the humanizer. Yeah, hey, hold on a little bit, Let me break it down for you. Boo love whole heap of woman. You brought back chucker. You say for your father love whole heap of woman, have whole heap of pitney. Nobody know if you ever dated one of them. You are talking about me breed cousin. Nobody know if you not intercourse of your brother and sister and cousin and auntie and everybody. You know, yes, you may do that. So you can't say they talk about me when me know. I am not like you. And then the one they were named Vybz. When say him only seen father 2 times. And he can humanize herself. We over now where I get over 2,000 women in same beat half already. Well, not beat half, but sexual intercourse half already. That he might try to show you how easy they are. You just walk and talk to them and them like clothespin. You know, all are the same kind of man. Yeah, you know, all are the same kind of man. Remember, you know, Alisa Kim said when the first divorce, and Boo got Jamaica, Boo call and say, he want back in relationship. When all I want to talk about how Alisa Kim never sign it because she want green card. She explained it to Uno there. She explained it to Uno and say him come back come say he want in marriage because that wasn't even 2 years in the marriage. He want divorce when she come a foreign. So what you have to say? What do you all have to say? Let me tell you something. People remember if you donate. If you don't donate yet, remember if you donate. Remember, donate. Go in at the bio, click on the link for the GoFundMe, click on the other link for the what you call it there, the PayPal, and donate something. It could be even $1. Yes, man. Yes. Remember, she said, him come back, come talk, wanting relationship. So me no know where you know I say. All right, we go done with you and your little clownies them for now. My viewers and subscribers, there is a part of what Alisa Kim say that really trouble me. It affect me. It trouble me. It degrade my brain. It degrade my standard of what I believe man is. It downgrade me. It everything that's bad. And I want you to listen to something. Listen to something, and then we go talk about this because this needs to talk about. Listen here.
It goes far to say that use your one of your kidney them sperm to make sure say we have a child. You go as far as that, you know. To make me feel comfortable that yes, this can happen one day.
Some viewers and subscribers, I am not laughing. Yeah, I'm not laughing, and I am not taking this as a joke. This is a serious matter. So, my viewers and subscribers, the big up crew, the stay blessed crew, the good human beings, the good people who understand. So now we all know that Alisa Kim and Boo was having dialogues, having talks, having talks, having talks about having a baby. She wanted a baby. So she kept talking to her husband about it. So when all of them buoyishas, them stupidishas, them foolishas, them nobody ishas talking about she just get up and want have kid. No, it wasn't like that. It isn't like that, and it never was like that. Listen me now, people. Listen me now. And sometimes that's the reason why I am like who I am. That's why me personally, I am sorry the day I have conversation with Vybz. I am so sorry that I take that guy call. I am so sorry that I answered the phone when Vybz Studio called me because I should not have talked to those low down kind of people. I respect people, you know. I respect people and I respect people's opinion. When I see people low, I should steer away from them. You are going to tell me that Alisa Kim married to this evilous man and she's having a relationship with this evilous drunkard, and you tell me that she have dialogues, many dialogues with this man, and you tell me this man is going to look at his wife and tell his wife that we can use, let me not say we, this man look at his wife and tell his wife that they can use the sperm of his son? Are you really, really serious? I need to ask Alisa Kim if she is serious. Alisa Kim, you serious? Alisa Kim. But hold on a little bit, Alisa Kim. Me don't know. You really serious? Hey, Alisa Kim, you serious?
Before I begin, a lot of people say, oh, me bring down my ex-husband on the media, right? I'm a lie. And me talk this and me talk that. More on the drop it in the chat and tell me what I say about the demise or the ending of my marriage. But just want to tell me what did I say? To your recollection, what did I say?
Yes, Alisa Kim, me know. Yes, the exact thing what you say is the exact thing Boo come out and say, because you say Boo come out of the house, left the house and gone, and take away things them, and gone with them, and take away the bed, and him come out and him say, yes, him take this, him take that, this idiot don't have no sense, this idiot do not have any sense. So yes, Alicia Kim, me believe every single word you say out of your mouth, you really say this man tell you, say, you can use him son's sperm. So let me ask you something, boo. Let me ask you something. So when you use your son's sperm, let's say Alisa Kim say, okay, boo, no problem. Yes, we can use the sperm. So let me ask you this. So when the baby born, the baby go call your son, no. Originally, the baby go be for your son, so it go be your son's son. So let me see if I can explain something or I can understand something. So boo, so let's say Alisa Kim was crazy enough, which me know she not crazy, but let's say Alisa Kim was crazy enough like you to do that. So Alisa Kim's son would be your son's son. And the son would be your son and also your grandson, and to call him uncle and to call you grandfather. What? Oh Lord Jesus have mercy. Help me, dear Lord. Jah is my light and my salvation. So shall I fear. I never hear nothing like this in my whole entire life. Maki, 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 you are one damn idiot. What on earth can go like that? Maki, tell me what on earth can make, how can that make any form of sense? You mean to tell me that you tell your wife that you all can get sperm from your son? The same son where you pull umbrella off to hit him and Alisa Kim. You want to get sperm out of him body. If you have it put in a Alisa Kim body with egg, if you have pitney. Anybody think this guy I take some type of pill, some type of something where enough he take? Anybody think this guy have a brain? I never seen nothing so yet in my life. This is one of the worst thing I ever hear in my life. I have never seen or hear something like this. Me know said you have some crazy people over the world. Me know say you have some things where some kids that have kids with some family. Me know say that are going on in the world, but I never know say a man, a husband is going to look at his wife and tell his wife, oh baby, we can get our son's sperm to have baby. Where say keep it in the family, you nasty. Ugh. So that means every time your son see Alisa Kim, he might go feel nice because his sperm in her body. And that you are look for. I tell you, say a workless man. Say you are workless boy, also a liar. You come quick and talk. Hold on, I never talk about that because I blank you a fire. Uh, Dirty man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, make we get to another topic, no? And this topic is a topic that I have been talking about. And the reason why me I talk about this topic all along is for showing how scamming, scammer, wicked, thief, and lie boo lifestyle is. You hear when Alisa Kim say she gone to mortgage meeting tried to take out mortgage twice. That's the reason why Boo recruit Alisa Kim. Because Boo not only recruit Alisa Kim because of what he says that Alisa Kim have. He know, as Alisa Kim said, he cannot get any more loans or any more of those things. So with Alisa Kim age, they'll give it to Alisa Kim. Listen to me now, good. Listen to me now, good on this part. If when Alisa Kim went and have the mortgage meetings with these people, if they did go out and get these mortgage in Alisa Kim name, do you know what would happen to Alisa Kim today? Alisa Kim would be in one big mortgage trouble. She would have to pay off those money, or they would have to sell the house and split the money. Now you see how wicked Boo is. And that's why when I tell you about how all these houses that his name was on, that's how he get these houses. He scammed these people. He been scamming these people all along, and then he reached at the point where he cannot get any more house. He cannot scam no more people. So by getting Alisa Kim to do the mortgage, it's better for him. You have to think about this. Look how quick that guy proposed and married to Alisa Kim. Remember, Alisa Kim said that he did not ask him to marry. And as a matter of fact, you see, I want to hold on a little bit. Hold on.